How to delete browsing data in Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete browsing data in Google Chrome. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu that appears, you can just select delete browsing data. And here on the next pop-up menu, you can just choose the time range such as last 15 minutes, last hours, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, etc. etc. And now here after that you can just select the type of data that you want to delete, such as browsing history, cookie, cache, and other site data. And now here, once you're done with everything, you can just have delete data and then confirm if prompted, and that's it. That's how you can delete browsing data on Google Chrome. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.